This was a very important day in the history of the Zulu nation, where the case for our king was made in front of the Supreme Court judges, commendably made by the legal team, stating what has always been the plain truth for all of us to see, that our king is on the throne, legitimately so. And we now wait for the judges to announce their verdict so that the life of the Zulu nation can go on without any hindrances.
When the judgment is delivered weeks from now, months from now, some are saying there has to be those unity talks within the family and the nation to revive the strength of unity.
Well, the strength of the Zulu nation has always been its unity, and I know that in due course the Zulu nation will be united under our present king, King Misuzulu, who is the symbol of that unity. And all those that have been trying their luck, at some point will all be united under our king. And it's just a matter of time before that happens.
Mana shek awukwazi phela ukungisusa iqiniso lingaphumile angithi uyakwazi ukukhuluma ama-platform emini ayithi uyakwazi ukukhuluma ama-platform emini no baba nami ngisemsebenzini usebenza kithi wena usebenza kithi walandwa yimi Thula Sizwe walandwa yimi ezosebenza la ngicela ungiqhelele ke baba walandwa yimi uThula Sizwe walandwa yimi umphathiswa kini phela hayi kimi umphathiswa kini hayi kimi kuba nebaba
Aqui vai atingir. Aí vai atingir. Aqui vai atingir que é chamar. Olha que telefone aí.
Oh, é aqui. Falei. No, walandwa yimi umphathiswa wena useqashile usuyasebenza. Wena usuyasebenza useqashile ngoba mina ngalanda yena.
Uqashwe states.
Uqashwe istate mana.
Gave me a mandate.
Eyokuthi wenze njani lapho? Ukuthi no.
I'm mandated by the states. I'm not a politician. I'm a police officer. I'm doing my duty.
Man, what is your duty?
Prescribed.
What is your duty?
To protect
ban
the state, the asset of the state, the VIP. Currently, you can follow the channels and do. Let's be professional. Let's be professional. Let me do my job as a police officer. Is to stabilize and maintain peace. That's what I'm doing as a police officer. Would you please give me a chance to do my job? As ordered by the state. I'm ordered by the state.
Officer, ayithi ngeke ngimthinde bona ngoba ukhona mbekela eduze kwami ngisho lokho engifuna ukusho hayi ukuthi ungivimbele ungazi ukuthi
ngizothini. I'm not a politician, I'm a police officer. Whatever challenge you might have, can you follow the channels, please?
Imapha ma channels why you direct?
It's either you go to the police station when you have a
akawafollow ishanga yena efikile la akawafollow ishanga
police station and follow the drill.
Ethini drill uyazi case yami?
No. My job is to protect embarrassment of the VIP concert.
VIP concert, VIP concert.
He's mandated by the states to be an MEC, member of the executive committee. My job as a police officer is to protect. I don't. The mandate from the president of the country is to protect. The mandates I'm given by the president of the republic is to protect.
You mustn't ruin this thing. Issues go there at KZN. Neo solve my issues in.
There's a platform.
No. Yena platform yokukhuluma ngami bakhona abantwana ngithi la bakhona ngithi abantwana la mama ayithi bakhona abantwana la sehlile already angithi abantwana bakhona la ukhulume ngami ngegama labantwana bekhona la ngithi Nkosi yesizwe umfundisi ukhulume bakhona abantwana namba bakhona akangathi ngoba yena ne platform ye media fanele akhulume noma kanjani
ngifuna ukuhlola ukuthi into enzekaphi le into
uyaqhubeka uyayenza still uyaqhubeka ngenhlahla bakhona abazali la Nkosi yesizwe bakhona la mina uthula sizwe ungehlisa isithunze phindele
sambile lapha indaba ezithi abantu manje bachaza kulomsebenzi nawe uyazi ukuthi usiyawona umsebenzi wakho uma
I do respect irole kulo lonke losuku so kunezinto okufanele ukuthi uyibuke bese uthi okay ufuna ukudila nawo
Nkosi yesizwe bakhona bonke abantwana la ku right ikhona umfundisi uthula sizwe ngikhona ikhona imedia ahlale ekhuluma kuyona Nkosi yesizwe ekhona amakhosi bekhona bonke abantu abathinteka ababe khona lezi zinto ayikhulumayo ayikho enye platform ndaba ayikho enye platform ayikho enye platform angithi ubhulisha wonke omunye umuntu
Magaba mina ngifuna ukukhumbula into eyodwa
abantwana njengoba singabandawonye nje abantu babuka thina ukuthi kathi lendlu kufundiswa kanjani yabona mina njengoba ngiwasezulwini noma ngiwasezulwini ayi ngiyafa because
mina Mageba ngihlukumezekile mina Mageba mina ngiboshiwe mina ngiyaxa umfundisi uthula sizwe ngihlukumezekile mina Mageba angithi indaba nikhona ngabazali ibakhona abantu indaba ezitha kade ngithithela ngisho kwimedia ndaba kade ngithithela
thina nje sikwazi lokho thina
kwamanje ukukhulunywa ngokudla lesiphuma khona uzokuhluphela ukuthi ufaye udla abantu because uthi yena khokukhoktha la
but
kanti uthula sizwe ulandwe yini mina ndaba ulandwe yini bezosebenza la ekhaya
yabona njengamanje
ngifisa yenza ke
hayi mina mntwana
yabona njengamanje
uzolalela abantu abadala ulalele singahambi nabantu
bonke abantu yabona izolo bekhuluma umlungu waseGerman eKawash uthi into engiyithanda ngesizwe samaZulu ngibone mina
ibumbano nerespect but umfundisi uthula sizwe uyena belokho isikhathi sibosele emuva
let's make sure ukuthi izinto ezizobe seyidonsa amehlo ikakhulu esigabeni sakho ezobe seyidonsa amehlo
cha indlunkulu kanti ukuthozayo indlunkulu bese indlunkulu la zofunda khona
akithi indlunkulu khona Nkosi yesizwe khona Nkosi yesizwe bakhona abantwana bonke nali indlu niyangizala manje
kodwa platform naphe mina ngikwazi wena uhlale phansi bizindlu yakini bazokhula
bonke abantu sekuhlalo phansi
ngicela Nkosi kuba ukuthi sisuka la senikhulumile naye umfundisi uma kungathiwa sivumelana lokho if you are going back home sizokuhlalisa phansi lokho
sikhulumile kodwa lana sambili
ukuthi nje
mina nje sengiphoxeke kahle
iplatform ekuyo
bathi lokho bebuza ukuthi wakuphile lo mntwana wakiphi thina sithini makuthiwa ngasezulwini thina sifundisanga intention so manje akungabikho lonto wena nje indaba ezitha into uyazi ikhulunywa kuhlala phansi biza abantwana bendlu yakho nangiNkosi yesizwe nabanye babonayo banohlonze biza uyabuzeka uthula sizwe ngosemahlabathini solunti usethekwini
nesimanje kukuso
abasihambile
yabona since lo suku liqale kusuka izolo abantu bebuka the way ucoordinate ngayo izinto umzuzu wokugcina
bekuye besigcina lapha thina besathi abantwana afanele basigcine bakhe besigcina manje usayilahla phansi yonke into
khona into ekufuneka ithi manje ngabe sothi okay ake ngoba lesho
awase ngiboshwe kangaki ngenxa yemfundisi Thulasizwe
kodwa lapha
abantu njengamanje
abazi mina nje angikwazi
imedia ingavela ikhiphe enye into
ongeyona lo show baxabanile lapha bebanga lento engathi besibanga lokho kwenzakala
emakhaya sesizobe ngiphethe kahle kwayizolo ngibone ade ngi-right apha until asuke aqale phansi njengoba sibuye hole bengengize ngimyeke because repeatedly sibe silokhu siyaboshwa thina
khona abantu abadala kodwa ngabe uyareport
ngiyafisa ukuthi sibuke ngesigaba nje isimo njengamanje uma kukhona into ethile ekukhuluma khona akube nendlela ezolandela ukuthi okay hayi la ngiphatheke
ngicela ushiya kuyo inkosi yasemadungeni ngicela ukuyishiya kuyona inkosi
ngicela uyishiye kimi sizokhona ngicela wabila ngibayekela into yodwa yabona make abe media pick up nje one thing
Bloemfontein Supreme Court Nkantolo Court of Appeals. I'm very emotional right now following the incident with Umfundisi Thulasizwe. One, I don't know ukuthi una yiphi authority endlungulo yokukhola ama-orders because he was fired. I'm the one Orlando Thulasizwe zosebenza because of what he's doing to Indlungulo like right now. Lento enzo Thulasizwe into ebiyenziwa osibonisa uDuma Indlungulo. Beno mam no Musadobe. Before that bekhona Sihlezi Kalala. Now uThulasizwe sesila. Thulasizwe bullies me. The very same person engimlande ngafika nefile kaThulasizwe ka 33 million nama allegations ama rape cases and murder cases. Ngathi Thulasizwe Indlungulo ayinamali. Hence they are being bullied by the office of the premier and other stakeholders. Wena kuthunjwa 33 million kule file. I showed him the file sase holiday in a garden court. Esengibalekela I made sure ukuthi uprof othi Nxumalo ngahamba naye suke eThekwini sihamba ngeemoto suke eBhalito. Sihamba ngeemoto ngangena emotweni kaprofessor othi Nxumalo yabi drive imoto. Ngafika sahlukana emvoti. All that way sasihambe sifonela umfundisi uThulasizwe kwakade kuzongena inkosi uZuzife esibayeni emva ukuthi kade eqeda ukugezwa. Then finally amthole uprofessor. Then we met on the 7th. They gave us a boardroom there. If you want evidence, you can go to a garden court. Eyasolund. We went to a boardroom corner, sahlala for 2 hours. Ngamnika all the files okusebenza endlungulo ukuthi kwenzakalani. And we have had enough. And this perspective umqondo kubantu ukuthi mina ngihlakaza indlungulo. I stand for the truth. That's all. Iqiniso kuphela lifunekayo. We can't afford to have ubukhosi bubulawe abantu aba-advance inhloso zabo. Ngimnika ama-file Thulasizwe, this is what is happening kwingonyama transport nakwezinye indawo. Then he developed i-interest yena personal. Okwakhe i-responsibility was to defend indlungulo into neyibhekene nazo. One, i-office ngikhuluma umntwana uNondumiso bafika ngami mina kaKhangela. Uma ezokutshela amazinyana kaKhangela umntwana uMthokozi bazokutshela bekusakhona umntwana uNando sephila. Ngelanga kwafika ngaluncamalala nje ezekwindlovukazi khona after siconfronted noSihlezi Kalala. Bonke labo bantu Professor othi Nxumalo bonke labo bantu umntwana uZeblon kade khona umntwana uZeblon noNdlunkulu wathi labo bantu bengihlala emzini wabo mina mina bengigada umuzi wasempangeni ngihlala nomntwana umfundisi okuyena olamana nomntwana uZeblon esase member of parliament. Umntwana Thulani bayazi kahle into engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi kuthe sekuphenduke yabona umntwana Thulani ulandwe yimini sekonakela indlunkulu imxoshile umdlokombane weza wazokhala weza kumina eguest house kumina eyamese eWaterkloof wathi mntwana ngicela ukhulume neSilo usitshela ukuthi what happened ngelanga ekwalimala ngalo mntwana uMthokozisi beze bebulawa imoto phekwe bridge othukela. I phoned iSilo ukuze umntwana Thulani abuyele emsebenzini. iSilo besingasamdinga indlunkulu ingasamdingi kuthi uyena wabulala lo mntwana uMthokozi. Kuthe mangabe sonile endlunkulu waxova ngoba dexovile waphuma uhamba secure umsebenzi wakhe kamasipala. Uma ebuya khona ubuya ngoba kuthi bona umfundisi uThulasizwe esexoshiwe ngoba engasakwazi ukwenza into ekufanele ayenze emsebenzini.
we can't asikwazi ukusebenza ngabantu abane record. Umfundisi uThulasizwe uqeda ukuseklisha uMama Khabonene for ama sexual harassment cases. Uma ukuthi that those cases akawazi, why did he pay her? Why did he settle her? Akusiwona ama charges are enough to deal with uThulasizwe because others were threatened. Indlunkulu ilimele ineyingane that were sexually harassed by uThulasizwe. The very same court, I don't have confidence in my court. That's why I challenge them every day. uThulasizwe ufika watholakala namaqala rape, a sexual harassment. Oh noma gugu kwafanele baxolise ngoba sekufanele bancinga uhulumeni ngoba uGNU ubaquphisile as MEC KZN. But my cases are there. I know that for a fact. I have evidence because uThulasizwe uKipitene engane umngani wami ekade ishatene noNtsimbi wayemthathela uNtsimbi esebenza phansi kwakhe eZululand. Wathatha omnika isikhundla engaqualify uThobile. Ngamtshela even 2 months ago. Ngathi Thobile njengoba usuwenza lento oyenzayo, you know me. Ngiyangize ngiexperience just because ngiyakwazi. Njengoba sehlangene nondaba kaMasipala kaNongoba because baqonywe kasibili yabo babili. uAyando seofficeini lika Mayor. Naye uThulasizwe oqonywe ulengane lo uThobile. Wakasibiyo ogane kaNtsimbi. Bahlala uKipitene naye. Ngathi I'm not going to angiphencezi. This affects us. Njengamanje indlunkulu ikhona ngangithiwa ngiphiya phambi kwendlunkulu. Wangiphika kwimedia akangazi mina uThulasizwe. The very same Thulasizwe lethwe mina la. Thulasizwe unamacala mangaka. And ama-hawks we want uThulasizwe eboshiwe. We want justice for abantu ekufanele khulume ngabo. Futhi ngine evidence ukuthi indeed wawuthatha 33 million because ngathi mangimrecruiter ezongena esihlalweni akusona ngathi mina kulo 33 million Thulasizwe ontshontshile u2 million uthatha uyoservice ngawo indlula because ayinamali. Abantu abaseve eduze kwa office abakhipha imali lapha ibona befike bathatha imali baphume bahambe badle ona. Bonke abantu abaxoshwe eduze kwakhona omntwana uAfrica kumanje banamathenda ko Transnet emtateni ba provide security. He planted the bomb. Waletha abantu engathi abantu bakhe abathola ukuthi kune bomb lapha for him to get a job, a place go business chamber in other places. We can't have abantu corrupt. We can't have abantu abanama record bese sithula state. Nifuna ukuthi indlunkulu kushuthi condemn odot. And that 2 million you wanna that got him esikhundleni soba prime minister. Uthemaye wenza umsebenzi wakhe after ukusilande ANC ngangihamba namakhosi wonke national. Ngihambisa incwadi elithule ihouse ukuthi uRamaphosa abuye azogeza indlunkulu. Indeed babuya ngelanga bafika ngalo bafike bajemana noThulasizwe egcekeni. Ngoba babefuna ukubona indlu lami bayitshela ukuthi sicela ukuzoxolisa kuthiwa sogeza isizwe. Islogan seANC besithi we declare war. Sithi ayihloma ihlasele. Siyaxolisa ngokusebenzisa islogan eswrong. Azacibe ngomkhonto khona kuthe makuphuma khamba kuyo ma groundini kwi-event eyesikhumbuzo sesiludini uZulu esakusho ngamabombi because sifune ukuremind abantu ukuthi ubani lo abanikazi balo ANC neNkatha Native Congress neNkatha National Party IFP and umkhonto wesizwe as we speak. Indeed they did that. Mabefika noDuma bafike baba umbhobho and wayibone ba popular after that. Uwenzile umsebenzi akufuna ukuqamba manga usenzele umsebenzi and yonke into engikhuluma ngayo ine evidence and asikwazi ukuthi usekhishiwe endlunkulu ukhishiwe ekhishelwe ama records akhe ukhishiwe ekhishelwe uqova endlunkulu. He has no business ukuphawula indaba zasendlunkulu like right now. Inkantolo igcwele abantu bakabuthelezi as we speak. Igcwele ama bodyguard as we speak. Uyena usitshela ukuthi fanele kwenze njani uzogcina ukugcizisa amakhosi because amakhosi awana choice job esephethe ukhokha uyena as uMEC kakhokha obhizo manager amakhosi owehlise wenews kumanje ulwisa impilo zakhe against indlula mithi. We are serving isihlalo thina. It doesn't matter ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yebo ngawususa umsindo ngasi isihlalo because ngikhuluma ukubhalwe phansi and nabantwana bayakwazi. And angizokhuluma ngecase namhlanje ukuthi ihambe kanjani because i-appeal ka-president they came to me ngize ngibatshela ukuthi abahambe beyoxolisa. They came to me and asked but we want to withdraw i-appeal but we were threatened by Thulasizwe, we were threatened by inkatha yasitshela ukuthi iphethe amabutho bona iphethe ibutho kuzochitheka igazi kophela inhlamvu. We had to make sure ukuthi kuyadlula because bekunesimo esisha se-MK party kwadlula lokho with all the pain umuntu asebenze lapha kwakhe. Namhlanje sihlele enkantolo because of abantu abebengena business to do with izinto zasendlunkulu. Again today na yesterday they dominated kwalokho. Today ukwazi uclaim ukuthi ukudla kudle bani ke ukudla bani lapha ya. Ukwazi ukuthi imali kaCoxer lefikile la why kufanele kudlo bani kwenzakaleni. Who is Thula Sizwe Ndlunkulu? Because a position esamlandelayo nosiphinda samkhipha ngegede ngayo. Uyalobhisha for the position threatening iNdlunkulu ngokuthi yena uphethe amakhosi. uThula Sizwe kaphethe amakhosi. uCoxer is doing administration futhi akusiyona yamakhosi. They only getting stipend. uCoxer uropa amakhosi imali yawo. Ukuropa ama-clans imali yawo. And the very reason emenze wahlule ukuthi athi penetrating Ngonyama transport because he wanted to penetrate in Ngonyama transport. Now that's not the reason why I brought you here. So ngilimele inkosi yaseMadungeni namakhosi athazo lungisa udaba lokusehlala indaba yaThula Sizwe. We've had enough because he has platforms. Ubhizi ukhankasela ufuna ukuba president enkatha njengobani yena. Kwamanje kusele ama-bilaterals uthi amasosha wathi amasosha bogus socials. Wakhipha an irresponsible statement kwi-page le-department lika-government. Wathi mina ngiscam napha abantwana bangena ngami la ekhaya. Ngiscam mina abantwana mina bangazi. Uyena osazokwazi mina efica mina la ekhaya. Kade ehlala edla imali zamanzi kathi ku-district. Kuthi makufanele kuhambe ngofakelisile amanzi akakwazi ukufa amanzi. Wonke ama-reservoirs kwi-district awasebenzi. Hence there was a rapid response program eyaqala 2013 kaNongoma because he couldn't deliver. Kunalokho udla imali wadla ingane. Iyakudina le ndaba uthi kuthiwa ngizovinjwa mina i-state security ngizovinjwa amaphoyisa kuphi. Entweni yakithi ngizovinjwa amaphoyisa kuphi. Mina ngikholiswa abantu bakaZulu mina. Akakwazi ukukhuluma noma yini le ndoda engingayazi emnyama phambi kwami. Amaphoyisa lawa ngathi azofanele atshelwe indawo yawo. Thina amaphoyisa kaZulu aqashiwe 151 ade qashiwe. Bafika bona uThula Sizwe bafika benza umathanda wabo. And we want to report, we want transparency going forward. And we want Thula Sizwe charged for izimpi zakhe. As we speak kaNongoma, ufike wakhipha iNdlunkulu ngisho sekushilo ke ngoba ukhonze angithi yena usubmitha kwindlulamithi. Indlulamithi ishilo yathi umntwana akabuyele emsebenzini wakhe because ube qualify. uPrince Zulu ukuthi angene emsebenzini indeed uqashwe ngokusemthethweni but uThula Sizwe did not do umsebenzi wakhe kaCoxer. Same thing asecabanga ukuthi uyena obeka amakhosi as we speak. Kunamakhosi angasa acknowledge umsebenzini wawo. Njoba sikhuluma. Angikwazi ukuthula mina uThula Sizwe ezoxova abantwana bekhona engabaxixizisa mhlawumbe abamsabayo. Mina I have all the records kaThula Sizwe. I brought Thula Sizwe for a particular purpose. Uma ukuthi abantu bahlelo ukukhuluma iqiniso ngizobakhulumela ke mina. Uma ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi inkabile ezekuyizona evela kuma record and nama hawks, so God please help them. Now that ubrigadier uShezi upromotiwe akuzosebenza private companies there. Bengiwafuna ngamabomu lawo ma record because uThula Sizwe kuthe kufanele aboshwe ama hawks esinawo provincial na national bafa ama companies wabo kube yiwona kufanele investigate private bafa ama companies wabo so that they make money and leave the state resources ekufanele ngababophe the criminals. Bahasho futhi ukuthi yebo sinama records wozani phambili phela yini enye edlula ukuba phambili kaphela lokuthi docket ngangiliphethe esandleni. They know all the dockets. Yini enye edlula lokho kanti abanjani abantu ababoshwa fanele kuboshwa abantu ngoba bengenamali. Fanele kuboshwa abantu ngoba bengenayo inkabi. Fanele kuboshwa abantu bengaze barana ama brothel. Asizozo ngoThula Sizwe la. Ngiyabahlonipha impela abantwana bengimfuna phambi kwabo abantwana bengishaye bengishaye ba right ngoba bayangizala. Ngifuna kusho phambi kwabo njobe ngidela phambi kwabo uthi ubani wena ewubani yena ngoba akazalwa inkosi yena wathi noma engibuza ukuthi umntwana ngizoyenza kanjani into oyishoyo ngathi that's why kukhona inkisi unfortunately ngesikwazi ukufaka okuyena umuntu ekufana be prime minister indeed kwizime iNdlunkulu esabhekene nazo wathi pho ngizowenza kanjani umsebenzi okufanele wenze ngathi khona inkosi eduze kwakho ayikho into eyiqualifyisa uThula Sizwe wonke umuntu wabona ngisho stage wakhlela inkosi uzuzifa ozalwa umntwana wakaphinda angene la ekhaya. Into engidina tu ngalo Thula Sizwe into engidina tu futhi that I refuse ukuthi yenzeke asikwazi ukugxotshwa isihlalo ngoThula Sizwe. Angifuni ukukhuluma ama Merito case ngisakhuluma amaqala kaThula Sizwe mina eyedwa. kaNongoma uhambe wabuyisela umnguni is a pensioner, he retired kade sesothukela uma retire umnguni that means it's a wasteful expenditure. wazokhipha umuntu appointwe ngosemthethweni kwiqiqi 3 weeks ago kade sebegijima emgwaqeni bona futhi sebethi ngebaholo ibhantinti ayithi ibhantinti libuyiswa yena uthula sizo kamasipala Nongoma undabandaba uthema imbuyisa kamasipala Nongoma wafaka umnguni wamgqigqizisa akithi bashari intombi bobabili wamgqigqizisa wamenza into efuna uyena unguni okuthe kusuka lapho kwavuka amaqala akho umnguni ukuthi emuva ushiye appoint u-service provider osuvinjwa umasipala othukela manje akakwazi ukuqhubeka nalo service provider umasipala osothukela because ubu appointwe unlawfully komanje umasipala osothukela uthatha uyiswe enkantolo and umnguni has been calling efuna ukucheck ukuthi ndamanje alikamlandelini lelo cala the day ngimsandela evidence alokho athi mnguni sayikhalile kuwena yes the evidence wathi mntwana ukuphi useThekwini noma useMaritzburg ngize kuwena ngizonibona no general uyabona nje kunakho konke from now on abantu they must learn ukuthi they are going to account ngeke umuntu afika ayona la afike ona khona agxuma hamba yokona kwenye indawo bese kuba sengathi usephenduka iluthola uJesu wabona abantu bokufika bese acabanga ukuthi izono zakhe ithethelwe. It doesn't go like that. Ayizohamba kanjalo, not under our watch. Sisele nento eyodwa vele sifile sihamba. You can't tell me ukuthi our isiko lethu limelo ebedlo khamba. We did it on purpose so that we get a platform, because the platform yayingasekho bese kweye politics bese kuyinkatha idriver ngendlela yakhona. Now that there's a platform, ngifuna ukwazi our president ufuna ukuthi lama judge akade khona namhlanje nayizolo he doesn't have confidence ikona yini awu5, because wona they are questioning judgment judge abadlule kulona bona. uDavis was questioning judgment judge uMadondo besishadisa naye umdlokombane nondlovukazi yokugcina uLamafu. Imina engangicoordinated the very same ngwabo uJudge Madondo eshadisa kufanele recuse in the first place. And what is this law we are talking about? Kumanje ku debate ukuthi ikhona isiko alikhisiko ikhona yonke lento ebikade yenziwa. Why are we even here in the first place? How did we get here? Nakhona njalo every time fanele kube ne matter that is going to court njalo fanele kufaka amajaji amasha that are not familiar with the documents, that did not read the document. Inganda khona ama reports angithi yena president uRamaphosa wakhipha ipanel ihambi iholo will simkhulu leyo panel inama reports that are there. Why so fanele siqale phansi sikhuluma manga? Because umntwana umbonisa bakhuluma amampunge mabethi babengekho kuhamba kuyofaka uSimakade eSwazini. Wafakwa la esino ufakwe eSwazini. Niyobuza umkaNkosi bonke ngesikhathi kufika iSwazi amazinyano omabili esesibayeni kwakuuSimakade kuMisuzulu bese sibayeni behamba bophihlizelwa igula iorder yayiphuma eSwazini kwathiwa ingaphumi elilodwa laleyo mazinyano esibayeni. Inyanga eyayikade ifike nezinyanga ezayifikile zitshela ukuthi azofika ezenzeni iyona eyahlebela omkaNkosi kwathiwa mkhipheni esibayeni. Nifuna ngikhuluma indaba ngikhuluma indaba mase kunje cause ngikhathela manga kazo babuzeni oNdlunkulu bakhona ukuthi babenge abuzeni amakhosi ukuthi ayengekho kwenziwa njalo. Lento ezokhulunywa manje kuzokhuluma uThula Sizwe kuzokhuluma abantu abafika manje kaZulu bayayazi into ekhulunywa izinto zengununundi yakaZulu zizokhulumiswa inkantolo kwalezo inkantolo ngoba inkantolo emhleni kuba nomuntu ohamba yobekiswe eboxini. Why kaZulu kufanele wonke umuntu akhulunyele? Ayithi baphila bonke abantu ekhulunywa ngabo la yena zokwenza kufanele kube abameli abafuna ukupractice skills sabo abafuna ukuthi bahole egcineni ukuze bathole into abayifunayo. Where are we heading with our culture? You know ukuthi disaster ezokwenzeka ku judgment ezophuma la iyona ezogovernisha the whole country, the whole world. Of course it's all over, and wonke ama countries abukela ebukhosini bakaZulu, and we can't afford ukuthi senziswe lo dodo eswenziswayo here. Basiphuca inkantolo ebeziwazi umthetho oziwenza again phambi kwezizwe zonke baphuca iNdlunkulu amandla. Asibone konke lamakhosi abekiwe ngaphandle kwamakhosi oselwa kumakhosi oselwa ngaphandle kwamakhosi amabhuna amaplaza ngaphandle kwamakhosi akakhokta because lo khosi usebeka amakhosi muva nje. Ask them wonke lamakhosi thina awesihlahla woselwa wonke amafayila aseNdlunkulu. That's why nginenkinga because umntwana umbonisa ade funa isihlalo yena ubefuna ukuba yibamba, and ngiyaxolisa abantwana ukuthi ngizosho ukuthi uqamba manga akufanele ngabe ngiyakusho lokho, but ngihlale nabo mina ngathi mntwana nikuthathephi lokho esenikhuluma muva nje. Wathi umntwana umbonisa kwafika nojaji kubona ujaji yena lo sexoshiwe khona la eNdlunkulu. ujaji ubhizi uhamba ufuna ukuthola imali zabo ufike wayishayisa kwabanye wachitheka khona wayishayisa komntwana umbonisi omntwana umbonisi just because nabo balambile kumanje imali yesizwe ledliwayo yona lento ukuthi abameli baqathi bazoloku bekhokhelwa la imali yethanda game reserve imali kufanele ngaba ama royalties that are coming back to isizwe just because umntwana ubuza abazi nabantwana abanye bakadla amahlahla besiselwe igame reserve yasethanda sekufanele sigqiqize kuze kushona ilanga andingabatshela abameli ngoba yonke le information abasebenzela kuyona bayinikwa yimi mina uSimelane akagiwisha ummeli wami and umbuzo uthi if this justice system iyiyo then why the very same bameli kade bephethe uyena uSimelane lamajaji aphekwe etafula la kuyiwona phethe ajaja yena namhlanje la kade xixizisa yena izona nanamhlanje yini kanti umjika Jowan lesiwenzayo umbuzo ukuthi why did we even come here in the first place uzozwani ku president he knew ukuthi judgment iphambene naye kade sekshilo cause wafika kithi wazositshela ukuthi he wants to withdraw the appeal but he was threatened uzozwani kanongoma sihleli namasosha amasosha uSNDF ucela unongoma for the past 3 months now cause kwathiwa kuzophenduka isizwe umbuzo uthi lamajaji lawa ke uma kukuthi afake isinqumo against president what is going to happen kuzokwenzeka lento enzeka umsebenzi waka DMV Department of Defense and Military Veterans mabexoshana no DG abantu abadeployiwe to destroy the department badla imali ze department yafika yamhlula icase exoshwa ngemthetho yamhlula yamboyise high court yamhlula yayiswa eSupreme Court yamhlula yayiswa constitutional court still isinqumo sihambisana naye komanje uxosha amaphepha uhlala eParliament ngizodibana naye eParliament njengoba ngiyakhona those are evidence why kuzode singena ekwaletini makwenzakaleni because we've got our own money in the country everything is in place the systems are in place how did we get here and we are saying enough is enough not in our name not during our era I refuse Shem I refuse and isukile those who are going to protect umfundisi Thula Sizwe kanti yini leadership futhi nesho thina sisho ukuthi ingane leze ihamba umhlanga fanele ihambele ukuthi izothinta oThula Sizwe lapha zoharaswa oThula Sizwe njobe harasa egcekeni ingane yamntwana umzukulu wamntwana nonhlahla egcekeni endlunkulu yini enye efunekayo uqoshiwe wakubamgolozela upremier wakhe balungile kabasabani bona basana bodwe enkatheni but not in our name no I was hoping ukuthi singadibani la I was hoping not in our name because that's the face ekuthi isifront engaso I refuse and the reason yokuthi sasemlando was to deal with about Duma and he did that okwakhe was ukuthi kuphume emva kokuthi esenikwe indawo ukuthi akaphume kunalokho he wanted to pull indlunkulu
weziphezi inkosazana ngazi noma wena lo ngubone ezithombeni ngale owamalips abovu inkosazana uma kuukuthi kushuthi kuhle kuwe ukuthi kube nezingane zabafazi erishwayo by lo Thula Sizwe okhuluma ngaye wena ungitshela ukuthi ngisidwedwe mina namhlanje uma ukuthi kuhle la uvela khona uma ukuthi kuhle makuthiwa kunabantu wa sexually harassed emsebenzini uma ukuthi kuhle la uvela khona uthi kuthiwa kunomuntu othi mayinqabile ukuthi ehlise ipaint emsebenzini akaxoshwe njoba xoshwe umzukulu kamntwana umntwana unonhlanhla emsebenzini ePA kaMamkhabonene kuthi usekhulelwe bekufanele angakhulelwa and by boyfriend yakhe lavela khona cause ufuna ukumlala uma ukuthi kuhle la uvela khona ukuthi uMamkhabe sehlukumezeke kangaka 3 times enkantolo ephikisana nezinkantolo zemchithe amacala amchithe amtshela ukuthi fanele ngabe uboshiwe uma ukuthi kuhle ukuthi kube nama cases ukuthi kuthiwa kunabantu abafe ngesandla sakhe la akavela khona not today a long time ago uma ukuthi kuhle kuthiwa ngemali ye district ebekufanele ngabe iservice umphakathi kuthiwa u-33 million he cannot account for yona. Ukuze mina ngithola i-evidence ngimtshela ukuthi kulo 33 million okuthiwa uthathile angawuphikanga yena. Wangibuza ukuthi ngenze njani, ngathi uthatha 2 million kuwona uhambe uyoservice indlunkulu because i-office alikho. And he did exactly that. Uma ukuthi kuhle ukuthi unamadent onawo uphinde ubhulishe isizwe on top of that la uvela khona, then I qualify to be called by you as a woman ngesidwedwe. Uma ukuthi ke ubudwedwe lokho engikwenzayo wena la ekhona kuhle ukuthi kunezingane zabantu ezithi ihlukumezekile zingayitholi justice ngoba wena uhlakaniphile, ngoba wena uyinalito yokuthunga isidwedwe mina lese ngiyisona. Uma ukuthi kuhle kufanelekile, hayi, you can call me anything, ngiyavuma ke, but mina la ngivela khona kuhle lokho kwenzakalayo. Ungaqhubeka nkosazana, mhlambe egcekeni ekhaya wena unayo umuntu oke wareyishwa, mhlambe egcekeni ekhaya ngisho ingane yomfana njengoba unengane yomfana nje wena. Uma ukuthi awazi, they even rape abantu besilisa, they molest abafana. That's why ubona ingane eningi sekuthiwa iphenduka itabane, because sezazi ukuthi shuthi inemizwa yesifazane. So uma ukuthi kuhle la uvela khona, mhlambe kwa wena you're a product of a rape, namhlanje ukwazi ukukhuluma ngendlela okhuluma ngayo. If you can go back to your parents, mhlambe ungathola ukuthi unegazi elifike ngerape wena ke siqu sakho. So if that's okay where you come from, that's fine. That's fine, my dear. Call me isidwedwe. And ungakorobha nangami makufanele wenze njalo, so be it.